We'll begin the week watching Kehoe finish their work on the fenders on the north side of the dock. Up beside the passenger terminal, work on the heating elements is well advanced. Installation of the CCTV security system likely involves testing and calibration. Tuesday sees the arrival of several large safety ladders. And the return of the ODS Marine Construction Dive Team. Along the entranceway, as each ladder makes its way down, it's noted that a trench is being dug. By day's end, whatever its purpose, it appears that filling is already taking place. On the end of the north finger dock, a diver's already welding plates to hold a ladder in place. On Wednesday, a different ladder, providing safe access to the ramp tower, is test fitted. The dive team, meanwhile, complete their work on the north finger dock. By day's end, they have moved to the south, and the welders are busy keeping ahead of them with the installation of ladders. This is work that demands a considerable amount of skill and precision. more than you might expect. Thursday finds the dive team setting up for another ladder. Understandably, since we're dealing with life support equipment, preparation of a diver to enter the water takes time. Once in the water, it's time for the dive tender to set up the welding rods. Friday morning sees what appears to be a tour of inspection by GIP management. But ladder installation continues unaffected. And so does the welding work performed by the diver. There's an intriguing invitation to take a closer look. So we do. No one can say that the ODS team arrive at a site unprepared. One after another, the week will see a total of 6 exit ladders installed. Back on the North Finger, a team from Houston appear to be preparing to install more railing. A welder's work is never done. Before Friday is over, the trench on the entranceway is being filled and compacted. The work of installing the ladders simply carries on, whatever's going on. Perfect placement in every case is the only acceptable way. The dive team, happy in their work, continue right up to week's end. We'll leave it there, watching the Island Belle make her way past the Royal Military College. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll catch up next week with another update. Have a great Canada Day celebration in the week ahead.